Hello. The European Commission published its proposal on public tax transparency today. With me now, James Watson, Chief Economist at Business Europe. So James, what was proposed by the Commission today?
Well, today we've seen the Commission propose new rules for public reporting of corporate tax information. If we recall, back in January they announced that they wanted to see, in line with the OECD proposal, they wanted to see companies report information to the tax authorities, and today they've gone further than that and they want to see companies make that information available to the general public.
What do you think, what does Business Europe think about this proposal?
Well, Business Europe supports the Commission's fight against tax fraud and evasion. We think tax fraud and evasion damages the vast majority of companies who pay their taxes properly. But we are concerned by today's proposal because we think the right approach to this is through tax authorities to make sure that companies give the information that tax authorities need so that they can enforce international tax rules. And we're concerned that by making this information available to the general public, we're in some way undermining the role and our confidence in tax authorities to do their job. And we're also concerned that it could lead to a public debate that may not be particularly well informed because it's a limited amount of information and there's many reasons why companies pay different rates of tax and therefore could be creating uncertainty for business in the sense that they don't know what tax they'll ultimately be paying. And then finally I would add, of course, that the EU is alone in proposing this information be made public today. And in that sense we're worried about competitiveness because it clearly could make the EU a less attractive place in which to invest if you do have to disclose more information.
And what do you think the Commission should do to take business concerns seriously?
What we'd like to see is that the Commission and the EU sticks with the agreement that was made at the OECD on a global level. And as I say, that would be for information to be made public to tax authorities to enable them to do their work in enforcing international tax legislation, not for it to be made public.